Python list subtraction operation. I want something like this.
Use a list comprehension to compute the difference while maintaining the original order from X. If you don't need list properties, for example ordering, use a set difference as the other answers suggest. To allow X, Y in fixed syntax, override _sub_ on a class inheriting from list. Usage.
Use set difference. Or you might just have X and Y be set so you don't have to do any conversions.
If duplicate and ordering items are problem. I for I in A if not I in B or B. Remove I.
That is a set subtraction operation. Use the set data structure for that. In Python 2.7. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.